Hi folks, it's me Hannah. Hey, I have here my favorite bra. I call it my laundry bra in one of my previous videos. And lately I've been calling it my homely bra because I feel so homely, when I wear this. And it's so comfortable. So, yeah. Anyways, the 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 thing that happened with this bra is the elastics on the straps had kind of loosened their properties, so the bra is not as tight as it used to be, and so I figured I should fix it so that I could wear this bra a little bit longer. And the way I found to fix it, well, an easy way I found to fix it was to simply shorten the straps. I was already starting to do that when I figured I should take a video of it and post it on YouTube, so that if any of you out there is in a similar situation and you really like your bra, then you could probably do something similar to your own bra to fix it. Right? Right? So, you probably already know this, that bras have a little hook on one side and a little one of these little thingies on the other side, so it kind of grips in like this, and then see, it's already like falling apart because I had already loosened, like I had already cut some of the stitches. I loosened or I cut, like, oh, put my blade somewhere. Where's the blade? Where's the blade? I hope I'm not sitting on it. Let's see. There. Okay, so an X-Acto knife would probably work even better than this plain old blade. So what I did was I went inside like here, like here, right? So this hook piece, it it falls like this, right? And then there is this piece here that goes inside, like inside. Here, and then the stitches secure the two pieces together. So my plan is to just remove this one out, cut this to length, put it back in place, and then secure it with stitches. Pretty simple, right? It's really like up to you. I mean, some bras have longer straps, one longer strap than the other. So you might find that it's probably easier to shorten like this side instead of this side, or maybe you want to shorten both sides. But it's really up to you uh, what you want to do on your own bra. So, anyways, the basic principle is, yeah, just to remove this piece, shorten the strap, and then reinstall the piece. Simple, right? Privacy, please. Yeah, much better. Much better. Yep. It's nice and snug like before. And cool.